guys, welcome back to another vlog and welcome back to my channel. I know this is a different vlog, but I thought I should like try it out. I've been recording myself cook, but there's always something wrong. Either my camera battery is low. Like today I forgot my vlogging camera battery at home, so I'm using my other camera. I don't know how the sound will be or the quality of this video, so I might not even post it, but I think I'm gonna post this one because I'm really excited to try this recipe. So let's just get straight to the video. So today what I'm preparing, I mean, as you can see by the title of the video, I am preparing creamy herb chicken from the cookbook of the LAZY Makoti. Guys, I love this book. Like, woo! I see myself doing all these things. So if you guys have tried any of her recipes, please comment down below and share them with us. Like, tag me, you know, like, let's just separate trees. let's just practice. Let's practice, guys. This is so nice. It's so convenient. So what I'm doing today only takes 20 minutes of cooking and 15 minutes of preparation. Serves 4 ingredients you need are 4 chicken breasts, which I have somewhere here. I've got my chicken breast here. So all the products I'm using, I got them at Woolworths. I just came back from grocery shopping, so I was like, let me just do this recipe. So I've got my chicken, salt and pepper. Okay, I need to take that out. I need my salt and pepper. I've got my olive oil. I've got my onion finely chopped. I've got my garlic. I've got my parsley, yay, thyme, rosemary. Oh, dried rosemary, so they don't want this one. I think I have dried rosemary in the cabinet. I've got dried Italian herbs. I just got that. We didn't have lemon and herb spice. I will see. I've got my milk. I've got my cream. I've got my flour, cornstarch, water, vegetable, which is spinach and green beans. These, and then I will link all these ingredients below on the description box. And I've got mushrooms just here. So I'm gonna add sweet mini carbs to this, so that it's just not meat only, you know. It's either I'm gonna add this or oven baked potatoes. I will just see by the time, because I need to leave the house in exactly 45 minutes. So I need to be done in 45 minutes. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but cross fingers. While we're still at it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on the channel. Okay guys, let's get straight to it. It says we should season the chicken breast with salt and pepper. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large pan over medium heat and cook chicken breast until no longer pink inside. So about 5 minutes on each side. I am using a cast iron pot. Measuring spoon. Make sure you wash your hands. Wash your hands, guys. So, whoa. Put that there. While that is heating up, I'm gonna season my chicken breast. They said on medium heat-ish gas stove. So I'm gonna put this on the side. So guys, here what I'm doing, I'm just taking my chicken and slicing it into half, each chicken breast into half, because I realized it was too thick and it would have taken more time to prepare, or to cook rather. And initially the recipe was for 4 servings. I realized it's gonna be 8, well, not 8, 7, because one was really thin. Then what I do, I take my salt, I season, and then I also add my pepper. I just tap on it so that the seasoning can get in the meat. So yeah, it's heated, it's nice and warm. I'm just gonna put all these in here. I hope they fit.
So make sure you season both sides, and now I'm just trying to put everything in the pot so that it cooks for like 5 minutes or so.
Okay, so while this is cooking, I'm gonna clean up here. So clean as you go. I'm gonna clean up here and move to the next step, chopping my onion, measuring. Okay, now my chicken is okay. I hope. So I'm just gonna set aside the chicken and now continue adding the other ingredients. Guys, if there's noise, I'm really sorry, ne? Shoma Joes is around. If you guys want to know who Shoma Josie is, please comment down below. I will do a video about Shoma Josie, my Shoma Josie. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna set this one aside. So this, she says you must add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And Jesus Christ, Mary and Joseph and all the saints. Okay, accidents happen every day. Thank God it's not on the floor. Okay, we'll clean that later. So we add 2 tablespoons of olive oil in the same pan or pot. Set this aside. We add the onion, garlic, and all the other seasonings. I just couldn't measure my Italian herbs because I had measured this. Let's say like Italian herbs, 2 tablespoons. 2 teaspoons. Oh yeah. 1, 2. We are done. Not that moment when you know what you should have. Or should I just close it? I'll open it when I use it. I literally thought of it just now. And then this happens. Okay, let it fry for about a minute or so. I need to wash my hands.
So while that is cooking, I do this process for like a minute or so as mentioned. And then what I do, I will take my corn and start cooking or boiling the corn in the other pot, as you can see. And then I take water and just pour in. Guys, this is just cold water. I was just lazy to go to the tap. So yeah, after this process, while my corn is cooking, I just boil it. I start the process of adding the milk and the cream. And of course, we have a new guest on our channel. Wait for it. There it comes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Summer Josie, guys! Welcome, welcome! Woo! Yo, guys, can I just do a video and just inform you who this person is?
So how to make cornstarch mixture? She says 1 teaspoon of cornstarch mixed with 1 tablespoon of water until smooth. Okay, so guys, on the side I'm just gonna fry mushrooms, 1 cup of mushrooms, because it says you need to put in cooked mushrooms or fried mushrooms. And as I said, I put garlic in everything. I know there is garlic here, but like, you just can't go wrong with garlic. I'm just gonna put 1 tablespoon of garlic.
Now what happens is I take a different mixing spoon to cook my mushroom. Food contamination, guys. Different utensils. Who cooks with garlic, like everything? Garlic, garlic, garlic. Please comment down below and let me know. So while my mushroom is cooking, I then add my starch to the chicken mixture, or rather the soup. This then allows it to thicken. I think they said I must do this process for like a minute, Leona, just so that the soup actually is creamy and the smell, guys.
Okay guys, let me clean up and then we'll get back to you soon. Just clean this up. Okay guys, we are back. My sauce is thickened. My mushrooms are ready, my spinach is ready. I just threw my beans in here with the corn, and I threw the spinach in there. It almost burned, guys, because I was washing the dishes. But it's okay, it's okay. So now we just need to return the chicken in the skillet.
With this process, then I'm allowing the chicken to simmer in with the soup that has thickened.
So I'm just gonna add in my mushrooms, almost burnt mushrooms, and spinach. Ooh, doesn't look like the thing in the book. I don't think so. This is hot. So the beans are actually cooked, so I'm just gonna throw them in here.
I must say though that this was one of the easiest recipes I've tried and I really enjoyed it. It did take time because I had no idea that I had to put in cooked vegetables, your spinach, beans, and mushrooms. Hence, I did them on the side while I was doing the dishes, and I just decided I'll just throw everything in the pot while the beans with the corn, and they were cooked enough for me to add them with the chicken. So after doing that, I then take my mixture and I was like, juice, juice, juice. Yep, that plate has the chicken juice. So I was like, let me just add it for more flavor. So as I was stirring, I realized that my sauce was really thick, right? And like, okay, let me just take like a few drops of water. Guys, a few drops. Don't put now the whole kettle in there. A few drops. Pela. So I continued stirring and I realized it was still thick. I'm like, okay, let me just do just a few more drops for it to actually become creamy and very smooth. It really, really smelled really nice. Woo! Guys, call me. I will prepare this for you at a price, obviously.
Guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much for cooking with me. If you guys want to see more videos of me cooking, because I honestly do try like new recipes every time, because I cook, one of my job descriptions is to prepare dinner for the kids. So if you guys are interested in more videos, please let me know. I do cook really simple meals. I don't want anything drastic because I don't have time. So the maximum could be 45 minutes for everything. So I literally finished this dish in 45 minutes. This was the longest, but I think it's because I was not aware that I need to add in cooked vegetables. I could be done by now, but we are done. It smells delicious. I feel like eating now. Yo, it smells divine. Okay guys, I'm gonna head out. Let me just show you. This is how it looks like. Look at that. Look at that. It's on very, very low heat. Guys, look at the texture. Okay, I'm gonna remove it from the heat because I don't want it burning. But it is so creamy. It looks delicious. I hope everything is well done. Okay, this is so hot to do. And then there's my corn this side, which is almost ready. After this, I'm just gonna add in butter. That's it. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to the channel and share this video with someone else. And if you do want to try this, like, you're more than welcome. I will write the entire I hope I find it online. I don't think so, but I will write the entire recipe down below. I don't know, am I even supposed to do that? Because I mean, I'll see, but I will try and share the recipe with you guys. And if you guys want to try it out, please do. I actually got inspired by Uzandi. I'll link her channel down below. Last week Bega Pega liver pap, and I can't remember what it was. I actually did record a video of that, so I'm gonna try and see if the lighting is proper, and then I will, if it's proper, I will upload it with demand. I mean, you can see what I cook. Okay guys, bye. Thank you so much. Have a blessed week.